Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys PIKA.art. I'm pretty sure some of you guys already heard about the PIKA, okay, and especially their 1.0 version, okay, but they actually introduced just recently, yesterday or 2 days ago, they introduced a 1.5 version, okay. This 1.5 version is quite impressive, okay, because it's giving you additional effects, all right. So I'm going to show you some of the effects which they are here. They call it PIKA effects, okay, and also they're giving you the sound effects on top of the visual effects, okay. So here are some of those PIKA effects which you can choose from. So you can inflate the object, you can melt it, you can explode the object, you can squish it, okay, you can crush it if you wish to do so, and you can cakeify it, all right. So some of those examples have been visible here. For example, this one here, crush it, okay. That squishy sound, like, it says crush it, but it's squishy. No, or maybe it's a crush it, I don't know. But the thing is that previously those sound effects were not available. Here at the moment they are, okay. This one, you can squish it here like that. I'm showing like the it's I think that's quite amazing. It looks really, really good, and I'm pretty sure that some of you guys would like to go and test it out using your own ideas. You know how to use it, right? So this is something which you will be interesting to go ahead and test it on your own with your own ideas. Look at the, those details here are really, really good, and I'm pretty sure that if somebody would like to go ahead and put their own prompt, the effects might be very, very similar to it. Okay, so for example, like this one, there you go. You can cake it off. You know, you can cakeify it, right? That's how they call it, and you can do the cake out of everything. Inside the Pika, and also here make it explode. Okay, it's making a heart. It's so many different ideas here. Okay, being introduced in this 1.5 version of Pika. Okay, I'm pretty sure, guys. I'm pretty sure that you'll be, having your own ideas how to use it. But bear in mind, that this project is this 1.5 version is only available in like last day or two. Okay, and I try to do some of those projects on my own, like with my own ideas. However, it takes an ages, absolutely. It's you have to wait for hour or even more, for those videos to come true. Okay, it's on a very early stage. I'm pretty sure they have a big queues out there. Many people want to use it. So even if you upgrade it, I heard that you still experience those queues. Okay, but this one, for example, is ready. Okay, here you go. That was created, okay. And if you want to go ahead and see when it comes to the plans, okay. So this plan starts from the $0, and inside the free plan, you have 150 monthly video credits, which is equivalent to about 15 credits per video, which is absolutely fine. You can go and test it for free, okay. And access to and it's in inside the free version you got a pickup 1.5, and also you can download your videos, okay. Then if you want to start paying for the tool to use it for more often, for example, you can start either on the monthly or annual plan, okay. And you can hear all those Pika 1.5 and 1.0 versions are available under those paid plans. And also, inside those plans you have access to 1.4 1.5, all those features from 1.1, okay. So that's all. When it comes to pricing, okay, I think the highest pricing is $76 a month when we are talking about the annual bill. But if you want to go on a monthly basis, it will be $95 a month, okay. But for the monthly monthly basis you can start off with $10, as low as $10 if you decided after using the free plan that that's something you'll be interested in. Okay, guys, I think that's all what I want to cover. I think that's a great update to this PIKA software. I highly encourage you to go and check it out yourself. If you have any comments, just leave it down below. Any questions, any questions. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and thank you very much for watching.